Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, My Classroom. As exams are around the corner, so today we will read from the Sparrow book. This is for the standard 5th, and we are going to read the lesson number 3, Underwater Adventure. Underwater adventure means all you know that when we go to a park, when we go to a for the fun, then we do so many adventures there in the park. And underwater means okay, under the water. So this is the chapter about the underwater adventure. We all think that most of the tasks we have to do are boring. Many times we think that what task means any kind of work, whatever the work we are doing, all are boring. Boring means it's not interesting at all. But to our surprise, we find some tasks rather interesting and sometimes adventurous too. It means that to our surprise means sometimes we don't know that how it will be. We find some task like some work rather interesting. Sometimes it will be interesting and sometimes it will be very adventurous also. So let us read this story about the adventure. Mohit slumped in his seat and moaned. Slumped means he sat. And moan means very like a sad face, you can say. His father had dragged him. Dragged means like forcefully he took him along for all the weekend errands. Weekend errands means again some task or some work. So Mohit sat in his car and his father, dragged him along for all the weekend. Weekend means like all the Saturday, Sundays work. We all have so much work which we do only on the weekends. So that's why it is called the weekend errands. So his father dragged him like forcefully he took Mohit, okay, come with me, like that. Mohit just wanted to go home and play video games. Mohit wanted to go home and he just wanted to play as it was a weekend. But his dad insisted to spend quality time together. But his dad he said, no, we should spend some time, quality time together. Here, quality time together means when we are like we children, you should also help your parents sometimes, like when because on weekend they also have so much work to do and you are free most of the time because there will be no school and your work will be less, and when you spend some time with your parents, that will be the quality time. How many more places do we have to go? Mohit asked after the fourth stop. As they were going, and it was a fourth stop, means fourth time his father stopped. Then Mohit asked, how many more places? Means that do we need to go like somewhere else also? They would already been to the bank. They went to the bank, the supermarket, the post office, and the dry cleaner. So, fourth time means now they've been to the bank, they went to the bank, then the supermarket, then the post office, and the dry cleaner. He couldn't imagine that they could possibly have left to do. Matlab, he was not able to understand that do they need to do some more work? Just one more. His father smiled. His father smiled and said, okay, let us go only one more place. I saved the best for last, he added. Then Mohit's father said, I said means this will be the last we have to go. And it will be the best, you will like it. Mohit didn't think the errands were fun. Mohit was thinking that errands means some work can be fun. Oh no, we aren't going for school clothes shopping, are we? He said that, are we going for the school clothes shopping? He asked. No, this is much more exciting. The father said, no, we are not going for any school clothes shopping, but it is very exciting and you will love it. Mohit worried that his dad might not have the same definition of excitement that he had. But he tried to be hopeful. Mohit was just thinking, he was worried that his dad might not have the same definition of excitement. Mohit thought that all these, like being to the bank, being to the post office, that was kind of excitement maybe his father was thinking. But he tried to be hopeful. But Mohit said, okay, let us see what will happen. He was just thinking, after the bank, how boring could this errand be? After the bank, in the bank, work, for the Mohit, it was a boring work. Then he thought, okay, let us see what this kind of a work will be. His dad pulled up at the Bubble Palace. Mohit groaned. Mohit said, his dad pulled up at the Bubble Palace. So now, dad took him to the Bubble Palace. Bubble Palace is the name of a place. Mohit groaned. Groan means made a deep and painful sound. Oh, like that. The name was much more interesting than the actual place. But the name was very interesting. As you can see, if you listen, Bubble Palace. Bubble means that maybe something related to the that bubble we see, right? The car wash. How is this exciting? Mohit crossed his arms in protest. Mohit just showed some kind of anger, you can say, his arms in protest. Car wash, how it can be exciting? He was thinking, a car wash place, how it can be not boring. You will see, his dad said. His dad said, you will see, just wait. Mohit expected his dad to pull into an open garage kind of building and get out to use the hose. Mohit was thinking that his dad to pull into that it will be kind of open garage kind of a building and get out to use the hose. Hose means a small a tube, or you can say a big pipe, and it is very flexible. So you can like twist and turn it wherever you want, and you can take it to it is used to wash the car. But instead he pulled up to some sort of drive-through. But as Mohit was thinking, it was not happened. But instead means, um, uh, but what happened? He pulled up to some sort of drive-through. Drive-through means when you take your car, like it's kind of a box where you drive. So he took the car there. What is this? Mohit asked. Mohit asked, what is this? You have never been in one of these. Then his dad said that you never went there. No, mom goes to the self-serve car wash. Then Mohit replied that mom take the car to the where they wash the car as usual place. His dad smiled. Then his daddy smiled and he said, okay, I like this one more, but I like this one. It's like an underwater adventure. It is like an underwater adventure. That's why I like it. Underwater adventure? Were they driving into water or something? Then Mohit watched in silence. Then Mohit was thinking that they will take the car to somewhere near the water. As his dad paid the attendant and pulled the car onto a strange kind of conveyor belt. Then Mohit was just sitting silently, and he was just he was just seeing that what the dad is doing. Dad paid the attendant. Dad paid some amount to the attendant, right? There will be like one boy or someone that who will do the things for them, and pulled the car onto a strange kind of conveyor belt. Then there was a like conveyor belt. As you go to the on the airport, then conveyor belt, that is see when if you go by flight, then your luggage will come, you will receive from the conveyor belt. So it will just keep on rotating kind of. Shouldn't we get out of the car? Mohit asked, shouldn't we means that we should go out of the car. Then you could, but you would miss the best part. Then dad said, you can go if you want, but then you will miss the best part. His dad took his hands off the steering wheel as the car was pulled forward. Then his dad took his hands off from the steering wheel, sorry, and the car was pulling forward. They drove through a black plastic mat hanging from the ceiling of the drive-through. Then they drove through a black, it was kind of a black plastic mat. It was hanging from the ceiling in that drive through this place. Mohit stared in amazement as the car was sprayed with water from above. Then, as you can see here, the water was coming from, it is kind of a fountain, you can say, right? Then Mohit was amazed, Mohit was surprised, and the car was sprayed, that from there the water is coming, water, it was like spraying the water, and car will was washing like automatically. The water pounded down on the car and Mohit smiled. Then water was pounded, car water was coming from up, it was spraying, and Mohit was started enjoying. Then Mohit smiled. That's pretty cool, like a rainstorm or something. Then Mohit said, "Oh, it's really interesting. It's like a rainstorm. Wait, it gets better." Then Mohit's father said, wait, let us see something else also. You will enjoy it. Soap suds washed over them. Then there will be some soap suds. Like from this water, there will be some small bubbles or small lather. Lather, you can say that with the soap form on the surface of water. Then and they passed through rolling brushes on both sides. Then automatically the car was some rolling brushes, some brushes were there, and automatically it was getting cleaned. I call those sea anemones, his dad said. Then dad said, anemones, a kind of sea plant. Then these brushes, dad said, then I call say these brushes like a anemones, anemones kind of a sea plant. It's like being a fish or some other sea creature, isn't it? Then dad asked, it's like a fish, it's or some other sea creature. Don't you think so? Mohit rolled his eyes. But as the car was pulled through a drying station that blew air and wiped the car with a bunch of wiggling felt strips. Then Mohit was just staring, and then the car was pulled through. Then once this washing was over, then car was pulled through to get it dried, and then blew air and then wiped the car. Then it was like there were some felt strip. Wiggling means when we do the this fingers like this. So this is called the wiggling. So some felt like strips. Some strips were wiping, and there were some. It was like air, so it will be dried out. Mohit said, "Hey, that looks like an octopus wrapping us up in its arm." When it was doing like this, right? Then Mohit said, "It is looking like a octopus." That octopus uses his 8 hands, like, and every time it does like this, so it was he was feeling like that octopus is going to wrap us. Now you are getting it. His dad patted his shoulder. His dad just pat on his shoulder. He said, now you are getting it correct. It means that you are enjoying it now. They came out of the car wash. Then they came out. See, his dad said, not all errands are boring. Then dad said, see, all the work are not boring. Can we do that again? Mohit asked. Now, as Mohit was enjoying the octopus, the wiggling, and the spraying the water, then he enjoyed it, and then he asked his dad, can we do it again? Then it means he wanted to do that again. So, all the errands, like all the works, are also not boring. You should help and you should spend some time with your parents, right? And then you should help your mama also, you should help your father also. Then you will enjoy, and you will see, you will learn how they are doing the work. Okay, so keep learning. Happy learning. Till then, bye bye. Enjoy, kids.